Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. I am Shweta Jain representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. We will chapter number 14, the earth. So points to remember are the earth, how the earth was formed, shape of the earth, movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. So children, all of you open your books, page number 113. Okay, so let us come to the chapter. We live on the earth. So the planet where we live, it is earth. The earth is the third planet of our solar system. It is the only planet to have life on it. Now, the earth is home to plants, animals and human beings. It is made up of land, water and air. So three things which earth has are land, water and air. Water is found in oceans, rivers and lakes. The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air which is called as atmosphere. So the thin layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere has many gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Earth receives proper amount of light from sun and the presence of air and water makes life possible on the earth. So due to the presence of air and water, it is possible to live on earth. Now we come to how the earth was formed. So children, in the beginning the earth was very hot. Later on it cooled down slowly and then clouds formed, and these clouds then caused rain. Slowly the living organisms started appearing on the earth. Now here, long ago people thought that the earth was flat, but the photographs of the earth taken by astronauts from space showed that earth is round. So children, what is the shape of the earth? It is round in shape, and the people who go into the space are called as astronauts. Now we come to movements of the earth. So children, earth is moving all the time. It shows two types of movements. One is rotation and another one is revolution. So when the earth spins about an imaginary line which passes through its center, the imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth from the north pole to the south pole is called as axis of the earth. So what is axis? It is the imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth from north pole to the south pole, and the spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called as rotation. The earth rotates from west to east. The earth rotates on its axis all the time, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and 24 hours makes one day. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now, another type of movement of earth is revolution. The earth goes around the sun in a fixed path, and that fixed path is called as orbit. So the fixed path on which earth moves around the sun is called as earth's orbit, and the movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. 365 days make 1 year. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. So this is all about the explanation part. Now we will revise the book work. So let us come to the first exercise. It is write T for true and F for false statements. So first is we live on the earth. So this is the correct statement. The earth does not receive sunlight. This is the wrong statement because earth receives light from the sun. The earth is round. This is also the correct statement because the shape of the earth is round. The earth has land, water and air. This is also the correct statement. The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of water called atmosphere. Now children, this is not the correct statement because the earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air, and that layer of air is called as atmosphere. Now we come to the next exercise. Take the correct answer. First, the shape of the earth is similar to a paper, pencil, football or box. So children, shape of the earth is round. From here we can see that football is round in shape. So it resembles to football. In the beginning, the earth was very cold, hot, wet or airy. So children, in the beginning earth was very hot. Later on it become cool. The earth rotates from west to north, west, east or south. So children, earth rotates from west to east. Next, 365 days make one week, day, month or year. So 365 days is the time taken by earth to revolve around the sun in its own orbit, and it is equals to 1 year. Rotation of the earth causes seasons, summer, days and nights or days and seasons. So children, rotation of earth causes day and night, and revolution of earth causes seasons. Now we come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So here words are given in the blank. So here words are given in the help box, so we can take help of these words. The earth is the dash planet of our solar system. So which planet it is? Third planet. The earth is dash. So children, earth is round. Revolution of the earth causes seasons. As I have told you right now, rotation causes day and night and revolution causes seasons. The earth takes dash to complete one rotation, so it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth receives dash from the sun, so earth receives light from the sun. Now we come to exercise number C. Name the following. So the movement causing days and nights, it is rotation. The things which make life possible on the earth, these are air and water. Two types of movements of the earth, so these movements are rotation and revolution. Now we come to the next exercise. Look at the pictures given below and fill in the blanks. Here you can see this is the picture of the rotation movement of the earth, and this is the picture of the revolution movement of the earth. Here earth is rotating around its own axis, so here we will write rotation. It causes dash and dash, so it causes days and nights. It takes dash hours to complete one dash, so it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Dash hours make a day, so 24 hours make one day. Here this is the movement of earth around the sun. This is revolution. It causes seasons. It takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Dash days make 1 year, so 365 days make 1 year. So children, this is all about the revision of your book work. Now we will revise the copy work. So let us start with definitions. First definition is rotation. The spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Next definition is revolution. So the movement of the earth around the sun in its orbit is called revolution. Now let us come to answer the following. So question number 1 is, why does the earth appear flat to us? So children, the earth appears flat to us because we can see only a tiny part of it. Next is question number 2, how long does the earth take to complete one revolution? So answer is, the earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Question number 3 is, what causes seasons on the earth? So answer is, the revolution of the earth causes seasons. So children, this is all. I hope you all have understood it well. So go through the chapter well. Thank you.